that tree down.
The wind blew the tree down.
Here, Danny. Danny, they gave you a tape. They're giving you a tape.
Do what?
They're giving me two.
I don't believe it. I don't believe it damaged that much.
Smacked him one time.
Get in here.
It's just this off. We'll just go ahead and put it back up there and turn it back on.
Pretty bad.
Think about that car, Lord.
Why don't you sit in to finish the meal?
See, Danny, they want you to film a van. Tree falling on a van. So they can send it to a kid. Here, stop for a second. Film this for him on their van.
I ain't gonna film it.
Oh, you can't film the tree. We can just make it not later.
You can clog up that hole. You can clog up the hole, and I'll do it now.
I said plug it home.
Put a piece of Scotch tape or something over it.
Look at all the little birds there. Look at all the little birds there. There's a bird in the backyard. Must not have been able to handle it. Says he's dead. Dead on the ground.
Where?
In the backyard. Let's take all the birds that's in there, Danny.
We might as well start doing it with tape on now.
After the wire's off of it.
They're going to hook the wire back to the house, sis.
You can touch it and everything. So you might as well start sawing. What?
No, he's gonna.
They're going to hook it back up. They're going to pull it up.
He can still start sawing.
No. He's just going to do this little bit and move it over. We're not going to cut this thing out.
It ain't hard.
What?
Yeah, Mom, you don't have to call a table and you have to call a telephone company too.
You don't have no damn telephone.
They had to call. We don't got no phone. I call my insurance too, don't I?
This is the only time you won't see this thing spinning.
Well, look how much electricity you're going to save.
Where can get hold of the telephone company now?
First time in my life.
Where can you get hold of the telephone
Except for when
company?
electricity blinks off.
I'll call them right now. Phone and cable's not in
No, it
the
ain't. Okay,
Oh,
yeah, you
this
get
is
hold of
probably
that.
the telephone.
Cable and gas
And
and
this is
electric.
cable right there.
Hey, ask him if he can hook the phone up sooner. No.
You got a phone company match your phone.
Don't be touching them wires. You never know.
These are the
No, this is the phone right here.
That's phone and that's cable. That's phone right there. Cable box
pull
right
it
there.
back through here. Pull it back this way so you can pull it that way. That's still hooked to the wall.
That's still hooked to the pole.
Yeah, it's gonna have to come in.
No, ain't nothing hooked to the pole.
It's hooked to the pole.
That's cable and phone.
It's still hooked to the wall.
And the pole. I can unhook the cable.
Daniel, ain't nothing hooked to the pole.
Yeah, they are. What's all that pole?
Oh.
Telephone pole. See, it's hooked both
Oh, I
ways.
thought. Oh.
So you have to
So
go
it
one way or
didn't,
the
it didn't
other.
break it, huh?
No.
It did somewhere. It just
Then
sprang.
they just broke it from there. Yeah, they gotta be broke somewhere and still be on, you know?
Just get something and cut it.
Is that corroded or is it
Just get something and cut wire cutters, cut the whole line right here.
Pliers and screwdrivers.
They might.
What's your
What are they gonna charge?
57
Your homeowner's covering a cord.
Yo, Dad, go to him.
Boy, this tree's been around a long time. And now it's gonna go. There's half of it left. But that's the whole problem. If it would have been a whole tree and not two trees split up the middle, it would have held. Look at all them pine cones, it's never gonna make it. Huh?
Yeah, look on pine needles we're not gonna have to pick up this
All
fall.
them needles are gone. Well, we got that down here.
Yeah, your grass will look great at the tree.
Get rid of those. Well, they'll die eventually. They'll rot.
Well, hey, if you're having hey, Mom, if you're having my direction, do it, don't listen to it. What's the thing up your life? But they probably could have turned back on. Well, her dad's wife. He's certified, so he can do it and look at it. He's the one that would inspect it.
say you really done some work. I got it on film. Tony. 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 Tony, you want to film this and I'll do it?
Yeah, man, I'll get you for a couple minutes there and run and grab a little supper. All right. I'll stick my hand in there.
Hey, Danny, what's E mean?
Ain't new windshield.
Battery's running down. Just keep going. I got another one. Until it kicks off.
Try to cut this off, Glenn. I'm gonna lean it out.
You don't drive where you leaning?
Huh?
You don't drive where you leaning this way? Leaning this way.
Okay, well, for one thing, it might be sitting at home. That's what my son said, you gotta look, it all depends on the house, how much weight.
This back wheel's sitting there holding.
Yeah, that might be what it is.
Well, really, it didn't have speed to be the.
These here are gonna have to be cut down this way, Glenn.
I do.
It's pretty good head on this side.
Yeah, buggy us in that one. Okay, keep pulling. Pull way back over in here. Step on that cigarette right there. Right there, look. Right here. Don't you see smoke coming out of the tree? I need to move my car.
Don't start out there.
In the ditch.
Where? I didn't go to the road, but he said I thought fiber crack
Danny.
didn't extend it.
What's that? Oh, it's alright. They're going to let me ditch.
Oh, I need it. What clear off $100 without it? See, Glenn, these are twisted. There's a tornado. The girl at convenience said she's seen a cloud, funnel cloud coming down up here too.
They said that they're working on all the cable systems that are down right now.
Oh, I did it from
Ours ain't a cable system, but a cable house.
You want me to get the Patty? You want me to get the other side of the van on that tape? Yeah. Don't.
I just kicked that back.
They're right. Even if the cable was hooked up, it's probably down in this area anyway.
Oh, you got to get put that in.
Take it out. Take it out.
You got to kick out that.
He's right too. Get a little cleanup on it for me, will you? Get a little of the cleanup here. I want to get fat work. We got Hollywood here.
Just leave those later on the floor, Josh. They'll have to be fixed too.
Here, Dylan, stop that.
Oh yeah, it's live. That big chunk cut out of it? Yeah.
See, that's what made
Well,
it.
like Glenn says, they're gonna do the rest of it. That's why he said just clear the driveway. We can't wait till you can get hold of the insurance and I don't know if they send somebody out or I guess you have to hire somebody. And they pay.
I don't know.
Or they'll come out and say how much they think it's gonna cost and it'll do it. I don't know, you know.
In a situation like this, though, if he can find somebody to hire, you'll probably go ahead and hire him.
Well, like Don said, now, I raised it and I'll turn it over to the insurance company.
Good work, man. Keep it going.
I feel sorry for all the baby birds dead.
There wasn't none, DJ.
There's little bitty ones in that one garbage can I threw. A nest with their baby birds on the hill.
Yeah, Tony's gonna really think things have changed, ain't he? I guess y'all filled it up too much. No more than them bags will fit into. That's the only one them bags fit into. I'll wake you up when I get home. I'm staying up all night. I'll wake you up.
Mary, I'll be over here in the morning. Put another bag in and clean that out. I wanted to drag it all the way.
There was baby eggs in that one. There were baby eggs in that one.
Well,
I feel sorry for it.
yeah.
He was getting ready to hatch you, but he died.
Here, I'll do it.
We need a rain.
That's the way it usually looks right there.
Your old pine tree's good, except a couple branches on it.
You can go get a rake out of the garage. I just want to get this down for posterity.
Daniel, now the tree. Daniel, get out of the tree. Get out. The branches are slick and
Give
the
it.
branches are fall through.
Give him the bow saw and let him cut the top off.
I'll just come up here and look at it.
Well, I guess it's ready to go. How are we going to get that?
You're really playing out of work.
I just want to look at all that.
You're really
Did you get me?
playing out of
I was
work.
going to climb all the way up there.
You're really playing out of work.
TJ, watch it, them things hurt.
You're really